There's a lot of focus there on some of those high school playoff football games and, of course, some of the cold weather getting ready to settle into the region. Cold front making its way through this morning. You could see the remnants of what was tropical, well, at one point Hurricane Nicole, now a tropical depression passing to our east. Some light rain showers if you're doing any traveling on I-24 as you approach Hopkinsville, Kentucky, and Clarksville, Tennessee. None of that rain, though, making its way into our region, closer to some of the tropical elements there. Murray right now at 58. Meanwhile, to the north, Mount Vernon and Marion still reporting 50. Upper 40s from Sparta to Cape Girardeau. Poplar Bluff also reporting 50 degrees right now. The cold front just now starting to make its way in as we started to see some of that tropical moisture try to move in from the east and track westward. Ran into that cold front, and that cold front is going to take that tropical moisture and exit it to our east. Checking in this morning, the cold front actually making its way right through the region here to start the day. A lot of low clouds moving in with it. We've got the winds starting to turn out of the north and west and pick up. It is going to set the stage for a very winter-like weekend ahead. Hard to believe we were in the lower 80s earlier this week, but falling temperatures later on this afternoon. Winds out of the northwest, could see some gusts near 30 miles per hour today. You will know that the cold front is here and say goodbye to all the warm weather we've enjoyed so far through the month of November. Looking ahead to tonight, first thing Saturday morning, I'm increasing the chance for a little bit of light snow. That is a little change here in our forecast. In the cold weather, it's here to stay, honestly, through the foreseeable future right now. Cold front sitting right over top of us. Check out some of the temperatures behind it, though. Kansas City 29, Omaha 19, Cedar Rapids, Iowa 25. Still mid to upper 50s out ahead of that front this morning, but that colder air is heading our way. There are some showers to our west, but those will stay out there as well. So at 7 a.m., we're in the upper 40s. At lunchtime today, we're into the low to mid 50s. Winds are fairly strong out of the northwest. We could still see some 60s into western Kentucky, but here we go into the afternoon hours. Temperatures start to fall back into the upper 40s. A few sprinkles, maybe even an isolated shower can't entirely be ruled out late this afternoon. 7 o'clock, we're back to about 40 wind chills back in the mid 30s. And then here we go into Saturday morning after midnight, tracking a chance for a little bit of light snow overspreading the area from the southwest, tracking northeast. Temperatures in the upper 20s to about 30 degrees, strong winds. There is likely going to be some snow flying across much of the region first thing Saturday morning. It's in and out of here very quickly by, say, sunrise, most of this starting to exit. And then Saturday turns out to be a cold afternoon, only about 40 degrees, wind chills into the lower 30s. Right now, 2 a.m. to 8 a.m., no travel impacts expected, but I keep increasing what to expect here because we have seen quite a change over the last 24 hours. In some of our computer models and helping to forecast this. Small amounts of accumulation are possible now on some grassy surfaces. Again, not expecting big impacts by any means, but it's not the only chance for a little winter weather in the forecast. Looking ahead to Tuesday, possibly even as early as Monday night, some rain. This is going to be cold rain, but notice it could mix in with some light snow. So hello winter, welcome to our region, I guess. Sunday morning waking up low 20s, afternoon highs low 40s, low 20s again Monday morning. It's going to be flat out cold. I know Evie, you like this kind of stuff, but it's not for me. All right, Tuesday a chance for some rain, possibly mixed in with some snow in our northern counties. But temperatures, 10-day forecast, there's not much of a warm up. Highs only into the 40s through the end of next week and through the following weekend.
Oh boy, all right. Thank you, Nick. Well, still